What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Knull from Venom 3 The Last Dance. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the inside edge of the brow. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. We're going to bend this in and then up. Let's line this up on the right, coming in and then up. And we'll work our way across the bottom edge of the brow. Going up and then bending that out towards the side. Now let's tuck the eyes in underneath the eyelid. Starting on the left, we're going to step in, draw a circle coming all the way around, and then up on the inside. On the inside of the eyes, we're going to add a fold, coming down and out. Now let's move to the center and draw on the nose. We're going to start on the left, bend this in and then down towards a point. Go up and then out towards the right. Step up and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's give our character a large mouth. We're going to start all the way over on the left, then down, just underneath the nose, and go up towards the right. Let's go back to the left side, curve the bottom of the mouth, coming down, across, and then up. And then on the corners of the mouth, we're going to add a small bracket. Let's add a curve along the side of the mouth. We're going to come down and then in towards the bottom. And then we're going to separate the teeth, starting in the middle, coming down, and then up towards the left and the right side. Just going to continue out towards the outside of the mouth. Now let's go back to the center of the head, step up and add a point. Now I want to add a curl on the left side. We're going to go up, come around and in, go all the way around, in, and just bend that down. And we're going to layer the hair coming down the side of the head. Let's start on the left. We're going to go around the eye, come in, out, and then back in. Let's go to the center of the head and do the same thing on the right. Going around the eye, and this in, out, and then in. Let's close off the head, starting on the left underneath the hair, curve this across the middle, just underneath the mouth, and then back up. Now I'm going to go back to the forehead and add some wrinkles. Starting on the left, bend this down and up, step up and draw a shorter curve. Now I'm going to add some texture across the bottom of the hair. Starting on the left, going out and then up. Let's come down the side, come down and out. I'm going to bend this up, out, and then back in towards the side of the head. Now go back to the left side. I'm just going to bend this up and then in. And then in the center of the head, let's move up to the top of the head. We're just going to round this out on the left. Come down and just blend that out. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to go back to the center and add some texture going out from the middle. Start in the center, going up, then out towards the right, go to the center, go up and then out towards the left. Now we're going to move down and draw the inside edge of the shoulder armor. Starting on the left side, angle this down and out towards the bottom, line it up on the right. Now from the bottom, I'm just going to add a curve. We're going to go up, come down in behind the hair, and then down towards the bottom tip. Do the same thing on the right. And then from the bottom, bend this up and then in underneath the hair. Now let's go down to these 2 points, bend the body, going out and then down towards the hips. Connect the hip with a curve, going down and then up, step up and then draw that again. Let's add that symbol in the center of the body, starting in the middle with a curve, coming down and up, round up the sides. Now I'm going to simplify the symbol. Bend this out and then up toward the left and right side. Bend this out and then down. Now on the left side, I'm going to step down, follow that curve going up, step down, draw that 2 more times, and do the same thing on the right side. Let's bend this in, down. Now on the left side, we're going to add a curl, going around, then up toward the right, go up to the top, and just taper this up towards a point. Let's go to the bottom corners of the hip, just going to bend this out and then down. And then we just want to tear up the bottom edge, starting on the left, go up and then down. And it's going to vary the length of these curves going across the body towards the right. Let's add some holes across the top. Now we want to tuck the legs in underneath, leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down toward the left heel, go to the right, do the same thing. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, going down and then up. From the outside of the foot, bend this up and then down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Now I'm going to go back up to the top, step in, just bend the leg going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add that thick sole across the bottom. We'll take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Let's go to the outside leg, draw a straight angle line coming up and then in. And we'll bend this down and then in towards the inside of the leg. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the arm. So we're going to start from the side of the body, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist on both sides. From the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb. I just want to close off the inside with the curve going up towards the wrist. Let's add 3 fingers on either side, starting from the bottom of the thumb, coming down and then up. I'm just going to layer the second finger in behind. So step down, going out and then up. And then again, once more on the outside, you're going to go out, bend the arm going up and then in underneath that shoulder armor. Let's separate the top of each finger with a curve. I'm going to finish off with some straps going across the arm, starting from the wrist, bend this up and then out. Leave a gap. I'm just going to continue to add these curves going up towards the top of the arm. And I'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Knull from Venom 3. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.